My name's Jai Clark. I'm the Youth Program Coordinator at the Aboriginal Health Council of WA. I'm also the Secretary and the Organiser for the Aboriginal Health Council's Youth Committee. The Youth Committee is comprised of 8 Aboriginal young people through different regions of WA. The whole point of the Youth Committee is to get Aboriginal young people a voice and represent their region when it comes to health issues relating to young people. There wasn't a lot of face-to-face contact, and also when we did have face-to-face contact, they wouldn't know each other as well. So we saw this as an opportunity to be able to create working relationships with the young people in the committee, which then in turn creates better outcomes for Aboriginal young people and health within WA. Woolagura is probably one of the best tourist companies that I've ever been on. I enjoyed myself thoroughly. The 2 days that I was there, it was an amazing experience, and also gave me a chance to be able to connect with the youth committee members.
My name is Wade Garwood and I am the chairperson of the AHCWA Youth Committee. Good chance for all us mob to come together, experience new things together, get to know each other, bit of team bonding, bit of leadership skills. It's been really good, amazing place to be. Us coming together and connecting on a more personal level will help the youth committee going forward. We know what people's strengths are, what their values are, so it'll help us align our goals, what we want to achieve as a youth committee. On a personal level, I suppose, getting to know people, good for my professional development as well, and leadership skills. Yeah, the networking side of it has been really important. It's the whole sort of reason we've come, I suppose, and yeah, it's been really good.
My name is Anike Williams and I am a member of the AHCWA Youth Committee. The things that we've done so far have really been eye-opening and just life-changing. The things that we're doing, everyone in this committee, I can see us working together in the future. So the connection's there now and hopefully we can make it last as a result of this trip.
Saleo White and I'm an AHCWA committee member. The experience on this trip was really good. It's really great to get a lot of Indigenous youth in one spot, get to know each other, have good yarns, do lots of stuff that's out of our comfort zone and really build relationships and sort of see what they're doing in their community that maybe we can do in ours. As an Aboriginal health practitioner and enrolled nurse in Broome, it's really important that I have really good networks and relationships. It's going to really benefit me when I go back home that I have connections down south and all over Western Australia if I ever need any advice or any help with trying to engage people in my community.
Samuel Stubbs, part of the Aboriginal Health Council of Western Australia's Youth Committee. Good to come along with a whole group of young mob and that you don't know and get to know them and see what they do in their communities and their areas and what they're passionate about with Aboriginal youth and Aboriginal health. I think it's going to be a big benefit, coming here and networking and learning off other mob and making relationships and connections and things like that will help me a lot in my role and my job and then in my life. Made some pretty good friends here and we're part of a youth committee now and we'll meet often and bring forward youth issues and things like that and how we best think to address it. I'm sure it'll help the rest of us as well.
I'm Latoya. I'm here on the AHCWA Youth Committee trip. It was pretty good meeting new people from different regions, getting out of my comfort zone, which was alright. Taking in their opinions and their experiences at their jobs. It'll be good to benefit me and bring it into my workspace too.
Yeah, I'm Sean Garlett, part of the AHCWA Youth Committee. Experience was pretty amazing. Get to meet all the other AHCWA Youth Committee members, as well as team building and building rapport with each other. Yeah, making the connections between the other committee members is vital because we're all one mob. We all got to help each other at the end of the day and have a strong community because of it.
I'm Jade and I'm on the the AHCWA Youth Committee. It's been really good. So I've been able to bond with the committee members better, because other than that we just had meetings, so we weren't really close. So going outside of that, it's really good. In my line of work, which is contract management, their whole thing is about networking and building relationships with other providers. So just building them and having the future leaders, which I reckon everyone in this committee are, just will be good going forward. So then if I ever need help, I can reach out to them.
My name is Jacob Smith Corpus, and I'm an AHCWA Youth Committee member. For me, my experience was awesome. It was a deadly trip. Really enjoyed the activities that we've done so far here on the country that we're on here. It's great to see a full team here of young people from around WA that are really passionate about the work that we do in the health space, and being able to make connections and work with them, I guess, in an informal space now, benefiting us now when we go into our formal business and our meetings, and we have that connection, and it's really going to help us in terms of our advocacy, strengthening our voice and being able to represent the issues and I guess work out solutions for us as young people through the lens of young people, and be able to have that strength in that numbers.
And already we've got responses about how much it's improved their overall knowledge of each other, and they feel so much more comfortable working with each other. So I think we have achieved what we set out to do. And I guess another reason that we wanted to do the camp was to show that it's not all about work, and to be able to give these young people I guess a reward for the hard work that they're putting into the youth committee and their time and effort. So I think we achieved exactly what we wanted to. It's endless possibilities for these young people and what they want to do, and how they want to shape the youth committee to be their own. So I'm here to be able to facilitate, and they're going to be pushing their agendas and their directions within the next couple of years. So it can go. I'm just looking forward to seeing what we can achieve. There's a lot of big changes that need to happen within the Aboriginal youth health space, and I think that we can be a major advocate and voice for that. So I can see us going to Parliament, going to Canberra. I can see us advocating overseas. Maybe I can see us doing a lot of great things. And with the amount of experience and diversity within the young people in the committee, it's going to be amazing. I had a vision of what we were going to do, and that vision came true. So it's great.